Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anjal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were doing exercise 6.6 in which we were discussing the topic that is estimating the quotient. Okay, so we have already started with the exercise 6.6 and done first three sums we have done as well. So today I am going to continue with the same topic and the same exercise, that is 6.6. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 66. Okay, and open your notebooks as well and write down the today's date on it, and let's do the sums. Okay, so first of all I am writing the topic here, that is chapter number 6. The topic is division. The topic is division and exercise is 6.6. Okay, the question for the next first three questions we have done, so I am starting with the fourth one. The question is, find the estimated quotient for the following. This is the heading, find the estimated quotient. Find estimated quotient for the following. So now we are going to do some sums. Okay, and we have to find the estimated quotient. Estimated quotient means, so first of all, we have to round off the numbers that are given and then we will find its estimated quotient. Chaliye. Starting with question number 4 in today's session. Question number 4 is 76 divided by 28. 76 divided by 28. So we have to divide 76 with 28. So first of all, we will round off these two numbers to find the estimated quotient. Rounding off 76. Rounding off 76. Okay, so now we are going to round off 76. So we will round it off to the highest place value. ये 2-digit number है, so here the highest place value is tens. So okay, so we need to round it off to the nearest tens. Okay, so हम tens के nearest round off करें, so that means we are going to observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 6, which is greater than 5. So that means now we are going to round it off to the next tens. So 76, when we will round off 76 to the next tens, it will become 80. This will become 80. Okay. Next, rounding off 28. Now we have to round off 28 again. Okay, so first of all we are going to observe the digit that is at ones place, because in this number as well it's a 2-digit number, तो इसमें भी 2-digit number है, so its highest place value is tens. So we are going to round it off to the nearest tens, and when we round off any number to the nearest tens, so we observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 8. So this 8 is greater than 5, so we are going to round it off to the next tens. So 28 के बाद जो next tens वो क्या आएगा, that is 30. Next tens after 28 is 30. So next tens after 28 is 30. Okay, So now 76 divided by 28. So now we have rounded it off, and after rounding off we got 76 as 80, 28 as 30. Now let's divide it. Okay. So after rounding off we got the number, that means 80 divided by 30. So now we will divide 80 with 30 by rounding it off. Okay. But इफ़ यू रिमेंबर जो हमने कल किया था बेटा, उसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि जब हमारे पास दोनों नंबर्स जो दिए होते हैं, द डिविडेंड एंड द डिवाइजर, इफ़ दे हैव एनी ज़ीरो, एनी नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरो, सो एज यू कैन सी दे बोथ हैव 1 0 ओके इन कॉमन. सो वी विल थिंक दैट वी हैव कैंसल्ड दिस ज़ीरो. इन दोनों ज़ीरो को हमने ये सोचा कि हमने इन दोनों को कैंसिल कर दिया. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 3, 8 and 3. सो दैट्स वाई वी राइट अ स्टेटमेंट हियर टू solve this, we think of 8 divided by 3. To solve this, we think of 8 divided by 3. So just let's divide it. 8 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, the dividend is 2. Now we don't have any other number in the dividend. So the quotient is 2 and the remainder is also 2. But देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है? The question is given, find the estimated quotient. So we need to find we have to find the estimated quotient only. That means हमें जब mention करना है, so we are going to mention the estimated quotient. Okay, so write down, therefore estimated quotient, estimated quotient is 2. Therefore estimated quotient is 2. So this is the solution of question number 4. You can pause your videos here and note down the solution of question number 4 in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 5, that is 193 divided by 23. Okay, question number 5 is 193 divided by 23. Question number 5 is 193 divided by 23. So now we have to find the estimated quotient of 193 divided by 23. Okay, so now we have to find the estimated quotient. So first of all, we are going to round off both these numbers. So let's round off. Rounding off 193. Okay, now देखिए यहाँ पे एक नंबर, the one number is it's a 3-digit number. 193 is a 3-digit number, whereas the 23 is a 2-digit number. एक हमारा यहाँ पे 3-digit number है, एक हमारा यहाँ पे 2-digit number है. So how we will solve it? So 193 is a 3-digit number. So that means its highest place value is 100. Okay, it's a 3-digit number, so its highest place value is 100. So that now we will round off the number to the nearest 100. Okay, यहाँ पे 193 जो the highest place value is 100. So we will round off 193 to the nearest 100. Okay, so now we are rounding it off to the nearest 100. So we will observe the digit that is at tens place. So at tens place we are having 9. So this 9 is greater than 5. So we will round it off to the next 100. जब 5 से बड़ा हो तो हम next 100 पे round off करेंगे, because we are rounding it off to the highest place value. इसको पहले हमने highest place value पे round off किया. Highest place value is 100. Okay, and जब हम किसी भी number की round off करते हैं तो उससे छोटी place value को observe करते हैं. So at the smallest, okay, so digit at जो से just छोटी place value होती है, तो उस पर जो digit होता है उसको observe करते हैं. So as we can see, we have having 9 here. Okay, that is at tens place. So 9 is greater than 5. So we will round this off. We will round off the number 193 to the next 100. So 193 will become 200. 193 will become 200. Next, rounding of 23. Now we will round off 23. Okay, now in the next number the dividend is of 2 digit. अब जो हमारा dividend है वो 2 digit का है. So that means the highest place value is tens. So we are going to round it off this number to the nearest tens. इसमें 3 digit number थे तो highest place value 100 थी, इसलिए इसको हमने 100 के nearest round off किया था. In this is a 2 digit number and the highest place value is tens. So we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. Okay, so at tens we are going to round it off. So we will observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place you can see we are having 3. Okay, so we are having 3 which is at ones place and 3 is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous tens. Okay, so 23 is the previous tens कौन सा हुआ, that is 20. So the previous tens value is 20. So 23 will become 20 when we round it off to the nearest tens. Now we will solve it. Okay, we will do the division. So 200 divided by 20. 200 divided by 20. So let's divide 200 with 20. Okay. So 200 divided by 20. 200 divided by 20. Okay. But अब देखिए यहाँ पे 1 0 है, यहाँ पे 2 0 है. Okay. So in that case again we will do what we will do. तो हम इसको ऐसे solve करने की बजाय we will remove the common zeros. यहाँ हमारे पास 2 zeros है, यहाँ पे 1. तो दोनों में 1 1 0 तो common है. So we can take out this and this one. So what we will write to solve this, we think to solve this we think of 20 divided by 2. दोनों के हमने एक 0 निकाल दी. So 200 will become 20 and 20 will become 2. To solve this we think of 20 divided by 2. Now we can easily solve 20 with 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. Bring down 0. 2 zeros are 0. That is again 0. So the estimated quotient is 10. Write down therefore the estimated quotient is 10. Therefore the estimated quotient is 10. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 5. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Check. Moving next to the question number 6. Okay, now we will move to the next question. That is question number 6. Okay, the question number 6 is 705 divided by 32. 705 divided by 32. 705 divided by 32. So as you can see class, जैसे कि आपको नज़र आ रहा है. Okay, so this is a 3-digit number, this is a 2-digit number. So that means in 705 the highest place value is 100, whereas in 32 the highest place value is 10. So we will Round off these two numbers, the dividend and the divisor, according to its highest place value. Okay, so let's round off. Rounding off of 705. Rounding off 705. Okay, so the highest place value in the 705 is 100. So we are going to round it off to the nearest 100. Okay, so that means we are going to observe the digit that is at tens place. So at tens place we are having 0. So 0 is definitely less than 5. So we are going to round it off to the previous 100. So 705 से previous 100 कौन सा हुआ? That is 700. So the previous 100 before 705 is 700. So after rounding off 705 to the nearest 100, it will become 700. Next, rounding off 32. Rounding of 32. Rounding off 32. So as you can see, this is a 2-digit number. So the highest place value in 32 is tens. So we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. So we will observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 2, which is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous tens. So before 32, which is the previous tens, that is 30. 30 is the previous tens before 32. So after rounding off 32 to the nearest tens, the number will be, the 32 will be rounded off to the nearest tens and it will become 32 after rounding off. Now we have the numbers that is 700 divided by 30. So after rounding off 705 divided by 32, it will become 700 divided by 30. Okay, again let's pick out the common zeros out of these two numbers. तो दो इसमें 2 zeros हैं, इसमें 1 0. So we will pick out the common zeros. So one from here and one from here. So we will write the statement, that is to solve this, we think of 70 divided by 3. To solve this, we think of 70 divided by 3. So that means 70 divided by 3 means कि दोनों की जो common zeros थी that we have picked out, उसको हमने बाहर निकाल दिया. So the number became 70 divided by 3. So now let's divide 70 with 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down the next number, that is 0. 3 3s are 9. Minus 10 minus 9, 1. This is 23. Now the quotient became, the quotient we got, that is 23 and the remainder is 1. So estimated quotient is 23 whereas the remainder is 1. So write down, therefore the estimated quotient is 23. Therefore, the estimated quotient is 23. So this is the solution of question number 6. Okay, the estimated quotient that we have got after doing the calculation is 23, whereas the remainder is 1. But don't be, इन्होंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे हमसे question पूछा है, so we are going to mention the quotient only. Therefore, the estimated quotient is 23. Done? चलिए Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 7. So let's do that. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 7. The question number 7 is 312 divided by 54. 312 divided by 54. 312 divided by 54. Again, here we are having in this 10 to 12, the highest place value is 100, whereas in 54 the highest place value is 10. So we will round it off according to its highest place value. So let's round it off. So rounding of 312. Rounding off 312. So now we are rounding off 312. Okay, so its highest place value is 100. 312 highest place value क्या है 100. So we will round it off to the nearest 100. Okay, yes 100 round off करेंगे. So we are going to observe the digit that is at tens place. So at tens place we are having 1, which is less than 5. Okay, which is less than 5. 5 से छोटा है. So we will round it off to the previous 100. So 312 से previous 100 is 300. That is 300. The next number is 54. Rounding of 54. Rounding of 54. So again the highest place value is 10. So we are going to round it off to the tens, nearest tens. So we will observe the digit at ones place. So at ones place we are having 4, which is also less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous tens, that is 50. Now the number we got, or the dividend and the divisor that we get after rounding of the numbers is 300 divided by 50. 300 divided by 50. Okay, again we will remove the common zeros to solve this. Okay, so let's write the statement. To solve this, we think to solve this, we think of 30 divided by 5. To solve this, we think of 30 divided by 5. So let's divide 30 with 5. So let's divide 30 with 5. So 5 6 are 30. So if you read the table of 5, you will get 30 at 6. So 5 6 are 30. Okay, this is 0 minus 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So the quotient we got, that is 6, and the remainder is 0. In the equation we have to find the estimated quotient. So the estimated quotient is 6. So write down the statement. Therefore, the estimated quotient, therefore the estimated quotient is 6. Full stop. Therefore the estimated quotient is 6. So this is the solution of question number 7. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks, and kindly note it down in a very neat and clean handwriting, everyone. Chaliye. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 8. That is question number 8. That is question number 8. So at question number 8, we have the numbers figures 435 divided by 26. 435 divided by 26. 435 divided by 26. So we are going to round off 435 and 26. So 435 is a 3-digit number, whereas the 26 is a 2-digit number. So we are going to round it off according to according to the highest place value. So rounding off 435. Rounding off 435. Again the highest place value is 100. So we are going to round it off to the nearest 100. So we will observe the digit that is at tens place. So at tens place we are having 3, which is less than 5. So we are going to round it off to the previous 100. So the previous 100 before 435 is 400. That is 400. Next, let's round off 26. Rounding off 26. So 26 is a 2-digit number. So the highest place value is tens. So its highest place value क्या है? Tens. So that means we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. Okay. So we will observe the digit at ones place. So at ones place we are having 6. At ones place we are having 6, which is less than. So we are having 6, which is greater than 5. So we are going to round it off to the next tens. So when we round off 26 to the next tens, the number will become 30. The number became 30. So after rounding off 435, it will become 400. After rounding off 26, it will become 30. Now we got the new dividend and the divisor. So the new dividend and divisor that we got after rounding off is 400 divided by 30. This is 400 divided by 30. Okay, again we are going to pick out the common zeros from these two numbers. That is 110 from both sides. So now the number remain 40 and 40 divided by 3. So let's write the statement. To solve this, we think of 40 divided by 3. To solve this, we think of 40 divided by 3. So now we are going to solve this by this method. Okay, so let's do the division. 40 divided by 3. So let's divide it. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down the next number, that is 0. The number became 10. Now 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1. So the quotient we got after division is 13, whereas the remainder is 1. But in the question they have told us they find the estimated quotient. So we have to find the estimated quotient only. So we will write it only. Okay, therefore the estimated quotient is, therefore the estimated quotient is 13. Therefore the estimated quotient is 13. So this this is the solution of question number 8. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, and with this I'm ending the session here as well, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.